So I just come up with an idea. I go prank him and like I go in here cry and say me I cry over my dead ex and them something there. The idea just come to my mind. The idea just come to me a while ago when me dep on the road. I say I have to come in, come do it. I can't talk too loud because I'm in the kitchen. In time for the prank, them I just feel nervous. Stay tuned for that one. Crying over my dead ex. Why? Oh God. Why?
Oh, dear man.
Oh. God.
Hey, yeah, man.
My ex dead. But just get the call, so my ex dead. Why?
Mommy, you know about the ex.
Why?
What you want to do? You want to resurrect him? You want to meet him?
You know, understand the memories, just the memories.
Mommy, what kind of memories you have with the ex for me? What you talking about?
No, me for go down, you know.
It's like we can't deal with sitting in here. I use my phone as a piece, you know. My try watch my show. Yeah, in there about of a man, what did? You deal with the man.
You know, understand, no, me for go down, you know, because I forgot the funeral. I forgot the funeral.
I know that you might as well just pay for the box, pay for the dead box.
Understand,
Yeah, about
you don't understand.
one day now. What on?
You don't understand. Oh, God.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
So I'm going to make your husband come in and say about dead ex.
You must understand you're a human being. You must understand you're a human.
Mommy.
Oh, God.
Yo, more while. Yo. Mommy. More while you put us to mommy, I don't know.
Oh, God. You don't know how I feel, brother. You don't know how I feel.
Mother, you're going to make me get famous. You know, make me get famous over dead ex. Man, you have a husband.
Oh, God. You don't even would have helped my ball or nothing.
Mommy, I help your ball for me, I don't want him, I don't like that.
Oh, God.
I'm ball of a man for.
Oh, God.
So when you plan to start the foolishness,
Enough things I'm gonna do for me, you know?
you bring it out for him.
Eh?
You bring it out and sense to the man.
Oh,
You don't understand to the man that keep you out if you see you need a ball of a man.
my God. I'm just gonna tell him some feel sick.
Yeah, soon know where you feel. You better tell him say chest off there or something like that.
Oh, God.
I'm gonna tell you.
Oh, God.
Yeah, you need a ball of a man and dead. How am I even becoming this?
Y'all come down with me?
No.
Y'all come down with me?
I'm telling me, yeah.
But I don't think I got the strength.
So what? Where you left?
Eh?
Where you left first of all?
I don't remember.
remember?
I must be cheated or something.
Yeah, yeah,
boy.
yeah.
God.
Can I tell me say the man cheap on your damn man?
But I'm an ex.
No matter.
But I don't know how I'm going to sleep
When
tonight.
him left
How am I
you-
going to sleep
When
tonight?
him left you probably say, oh, that idiot woman. you
Oh,
left her."
God. How am I going to sleep tonight?
Mm.
Oh,
But I find out
God.
way. Boy, every day you come to me with this foolishness.
Oh, God.
Really, I'm sorry.
I can't
Really, I'm
believe
sorry.
why this for me. It
Really,
really
I'm sorry.
hurt me.
Jesus Christ.
God, it hurt me.
I hope him pop it off again. I hope your
Oh,
husband pop it off again.
God.
I hope your husband pop it off again. You ain't about it.
Oh, God, why?
You just tell me say the man cheap and you ain't about it.
So, you don't understand.
Probably sit
you
down
don't
in the room.
understand.
After I do that, I'm sitting on a chat to you and you get home.
Oh, God.
Sure. About it, man.
I can't breathe.
You need to get up off it. You need to get up.
I can't get up. You have to help me pack up my bag there, you know?
No, pack up no bag, you're not going to. You're not
Yeah, but I
going
forgot the funeral, but
You're
I'm
not-
going to tell
you're
him
not
some
gonna
friend
feel
dead.
Next thing you know, room,
I forgot to tell him some friend dead. Why?
Jesus Christ.
Oh, God, oh, God.
You know?
A man who don't understand how I feel, you know?
You say, I'm a
Oh,
man who don't understand.
God. Make some water, no? Go for a bottle of water for me, please. Boy. Oh, God. I would all see him week, I'm not for go weird. I don't know, God, but this so sudden. This so sudden, I don't even have no money. I don't even have money for do about my head. This so sudden. Oh, I don't know. I just don't even know what to do with myself. Like, I don't know. you can't ungrateful enough because Dave was a good man to you. You didn't even know that Dave
Who?
was a good man. Dave was a good man to you.
I don't even know name Dave or whatever.
Oh God.
No, Dave. I bring up some random names to me. I know names.
Oh God. You think him that want to come at the funeral?
Who's him? That was one? Hey man? Let's see him find out who he be. And then he
You
won't
find out who Dave is.
Him
Him
not-
done
he
dead
don't know
already.
You don't know him.
Him
now.
done
You
dead
know him.
already.
You don't know
Him
him.
gonna left the
You don't
Dave
know
funeral
him.
and him dead already.
You don't know him now gonna man funeral.
You know. But we can't. But let me tell him say Dave I'm a friend.
You know what? You're not gonna know it. You're not make you go either. And you're not gonna go with you either.
Cause beer people are calling me about
And he
Dave.
not go
Beer
with
people
you
are
either.
calling me about Dave.
Ignore him. Man.
Oh God. You think I for call him wife and find out if she alright?
No. Tell her for boyfriend right there, sir.
And tell her how much of a good man she did have. Tell her said Dave was
I
a
think-
good
I
man.
think she know that already. She didn't know, not you. She never did know, not you. Just stop ball over there, stop ball. Ball over there. Stop ball over there, leave dead and gone. Unless you want to meet him somewhere.
You don't feel sorry for Dave?
Not at all. Dave cheap, I don't feel sorry for Dave.
You don't feel sorry for Dave?
No, I don't feel sorry for Dave. Why you feel sorry for Dave?
I can't go work tomorrow because I now can't do no work. I now
Get
can't
the fuck come out
focus.
today, you're not going to work tomorrow. You wanna work?
My whole life I got mash up.
Your whole life is
My
not
whole life I got done. I'm not gonna forget. I'm not gonna ever forget.
You gotta make a
I can't
deceased
ever
man
forget
much
this.
better. Deceased man are cheap, you're gonna mash up your life.
I can't ever forget this.
You need to forget
I
it.
can't forget this.
You
Oh
need to.
God damn.
You're really a ball over there.
You wouldn't understand.
You're right, man. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying no, I'm on cheap, but you're the ball over there.
Mama called me. Julieta called me. Cynthia called me.
Hey, you fool.
Everybody can't believe said Dave dead. Nobody can't believe said Dave dead.
You just believe it.
Oh God, alright, may I catch myself. I stop by, may I try to catch myself, but oh God, Dave. Dave, they wouldn't even understand. When I tell you said Dave.
Please tell me, say, it's not real.
Eh?
Tell me, say, I joke again.
I'm not a joke.
Okay.
You think I really sung as a ball? You think I really sung as a holla? And take it as a joke?
It must be a joke because you can tell me, say, man, cheap, I ain't saying you're a ball over the man.
Nobody not perfect.
And the man of a wife, I can talk about. You was
Nobody
an
not
ex.
perfect.
You was an ex-woman and could call the man wife. That makes sense to you. You know that. You know what I gonna make. You know what I gonna make the wife think. The
Oh
husband. I
God.
keep in contact with him ex-girl.
Him dead.
No matter.
She can't him. Should I beat him or she gonna name him?
She
Him
know.
done dead already. She gonna name him.
No matter.
She can't name him. She gonna beat him for cheat. Him dead.
Or see I cheat with him.
Oh
And I tell
God. No, I never know what me I say. I never know what me I say. What me just I say. Me just I say.
Mother,
Jesus Christ.
you go sit down somewhere and tell me something.
You know, sometimes you hear some things, but you hear some. I don't know what to say. I don't know. You tell me if you go sit down. You're not a little remorse for Dave. You're not a little nothing. You don't feel for Dave.
I don't know Dave. I don't know Dave.
Oh
If you forget
God.
about Dave to Dave dead. Dave
Oh
gone.
God. Dave can't just dead so.
Some people live.
Oh, Dave can't just, of course, Dave can't just dead so. You wouldn't understand.
Just like Dave, me and you can did right now tomorrow.
Oh God. God. That's,
You done?
you know, I feel like I set up Dave, you know. Me I call him. I forget the number for him wife and call her. Cause I
Call
know.
man wife.
You must,
You're
I
not
know,
God
when
with
the hear
anything.
Dave dead, you know, I just hear say Dave dead, I'm just start, I like me, I say, I can't my Dave. I can't my Dave.
It was never your Dave. It was never your Dave. Alright? You know, stop ball over my man that did and bunny.
Oh, God. Jesus Christ.
You really am feel, man. You ball over dead man a bunny.
Oh, God.
Really and truly. I hope your husband see you about
You mad? Not talk them something there because when me go tell him, say I forgot Dave funeral. I don't know, I just have to,
I hope
I
you
tell him
find
say I'm a
out.
little friend
I
and you
hope
have
you
to
find
back it up. You have to back it up. Oh, my God.
I don't know back up nothing, you know, I just want to think about the whole day.
Oh, God damn. I joke me little Meg.
I want to play with people like that.
I'm not playing nobody life. Come here. Monday I get vexed. Guys, happy Monday. Enjoy your dinner. Have a good night and stay tuned. Make sure you turn on your notifications. Subscribe if you're new to the channel.